Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Cheryl Technology Channel. My name is Chris, and I'm your host today. And whoop whoop, I'm on vacation, yay! But as you can see, I still work because I like to work. I like IT, I like technology. So let's get right into this one. So in our last video, you'll remember that we ended up setting everything up for Podman because we decided to go to Podman. Let me show you something. I got to show you all this because it's important that y'all see this. Watch what happens. Yeah, so basically what happens is KVM is not enabled on this host. It will not let me enable it, so I cannot use Docker. Podman works perfectly on every platform that I've tried it on, and so I'm sticking with Podman. Podman is really good. I like it. It's easy to use, it's fast, and we're just going to get right into this. So in this one, we're going to pull our first image, and we're going to start our first container, y'all. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's go to images, or not container. Images is right here. So you see on the left here we have our dashboard. Let me see if I can, no, it won't let me expand it any. But we have our dashboard, which is all our information about our running. It's showing the client is running, the Docker desktop client. These are your containers. You can run this to run a first container, but we're not going to do it that way. Pods are like a collection of containers. So we're only going to have one though in this one. Now, I'm going to give you a disclaimer here. You have to have a Docker account to be able to pull images. I have went through this 1,000 times, and this is what I found is that when you do this, you have to have a Docker account. And you're going to see here in just a minute why. See, so you can see these are all the extensions that are running. We've got the Kubernetes CLI, the context. We've got a lot of things running. It's super fast, and you'll see why here in just a minute. Okay, so let's go to pull our first image. Let's do it. Let's go pull, and then we got to manage registries. Now you notice they have a few here that you can get. I use Docker Hub, and then I'm going to do, this is my, I think that's right. And then here is my, see if that'll actually let me log in. Nope, it must not be right. Let me reference my image my picture that I took. I took a picture of this the other day. No, that is right. Frig is the problem then. Okay, so now it's not going to work, of course. And my guess would be is that it's because, yep, my guess would be is it's because of the network part of this. So let's go fix that real quick. Let's go here. Let's go to network or settings. So what we have to do is I'm going to show you something here. Network is bridged. See, yeah, I got to figure out exactly, we got to figure out exactly which network works best for us. Log into that. Nope. It would have done it already if it was going to do it. Yeah, it's not going to work. Go to settings, network adapter. Try it again. See what we got here. What? There we go. Okay, now, so we saw right there that we have to use the NAT to be able to get this to work. So right here, so I tried this one and I tried this one. This is the only one that worked because it's sharing the host IP. Okay, now that we got that down, now let's go full screen again, okay? So now we're able to pull from the registries, from the repositories at Docker, from Docker Hub. Docker Hub is where all the images are stored, okay? So and you got to have a login credential to be able to pull from that. So let's go to images. And then we're going to pull, and then we're going to just say Ubuntu. It's done. It was that quick. Now we're going to go to container. Let's go to images. Okay, so now you can see we have an image. So let's go ahead and let's start this bad boy up, and then we're going to silly Billy, and then we're going to start the container. Invalid. Oh, is it because of that? So apparently you can't have spaces either. So, okay, so here we go. So then what we're going to do is we're going to do apt update. Now, what I don't like about this is that you are basically running en route. So for those of you out there, what do you think that means? That means anything you do is not going to ask for a username, a password. It's going to do it. It's going to say, yeah, I'll do that. In our next video, what we're going to do is we're going to create a user account on here so that we're not running in root all the time. Because you can see it says root right here. Root at and then the container name. So y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was enlightening and I hope you learned something. And I am so grateful for all the watches and views and all the comments I've gotten. I really enjoy this stuff. I really do. And I hope that you learned something from this because user accounts are important. We need to apply the right permissions. Thank y'all for watching. If you don't know the Lord Jesus Christ, I pray that you would reach out to me in the comments down below or send me an email at cheryltechnology@gmail.com. Again, that's cheryltechnology@gmail.com. And I will pray with you, debate, listen, talk to you. Whatever you want, whatever you need, I will be all things to all men because that's what Paul said to do. Thank y'all for watching. Till next time, everybody. Peace.